Hello everyone, welcome back to the weekly market updates. I am S.Khadgawat. So this week, Indian markets continue to remain in the grip of bear as we consolidated in a narrow range in the first half of the week, but we gave a breakdown in the last two trading sessions. This weakness in the market is majorly sponsored by the aggressive and continued relentless selling by the FIIs and the muted earning growth season. FIIs ने अक्टूबर मंथ में अब तक 74,000 करोड़ रुपए से ज्यादा की सेलिंग स्टॉक मार्केट्स में की है, जो कि अपने आप में एक रिकॉर्ड है। इस तरह का सेलिंग क्वांटम लास्ट टाइम देखा गया था 2008 एंड 2020 में, जिसके बाद मार्केट्स ने मोर और लेस 30 से 40% का करेक्शन दिखाया था। Although we have only corrected 6 to 7% on the major indices so far, but let's see how it turns out in the coming weeks. Also, one of the major reason of the negative investor sentiment remained due to the muted earning growths in this earning season. So far, the number posted by the large caps are either below the expected range or at par with the expected range. Day before yesterday, when Bajaj Auto has come up with its number and gave a very weak commentary for the whole industry, the stock has tanked more than 15% in two trading sessions. Also, as per the experts' opinion, the sectors which are going to disappoint in this earnings season would be automobile sector, cement and infra due to the prolonged monsoon season, and also FMCG because of the subdued demand due to the food inflation. This week, India came up with CPI inflation number which comes to 5.49%, which is highest in the past 9 months and since December 2023 when it was 5.69%. Inflation number में आई बढ़ोतरी mostly रही food inflation की वजह से. This week, all major indices have remained in a very narrow trading range. However, Bank Nifty has given a positive returns of close to 2% on week basis, वहीं Nifty और Sensex में neutral से 0.5% negative return देते हुए नजर आए. In broader indices, mid cap and small cap has also given very flat to positive returns of 0.5% on week basis. As we have already discussed that Bank Nifty and banking sector have performed well this week, the banking sector has remained the top choice among the investors as it has gained more than 3% of gains on week basis. वहीं PSU banks भी 0.5% के gains के साथ close हुए. Negative returns में सबसे आगे रहे automobile sector which has clocked negative gains of more than 4.5% on week basis, और दूसरे नंबर पे रहा consumption sector जिसने week basis पे 3.5% से ज्यादा की negative gains clock किए. As we have discussed that FIIs have continued with their selling spree, and this week alone they have sold more than 20,000 crore rupees of stocks in the cash market, whereas DI has tried to compensate but bought only 14,000 crore rupees of stocks in the cash market. FIIs की लगातार and relentless aggressive selling Indian markets के लिए एक सरदर्द बनी हुई है. DIs की लगातार बाइंग के बावजूद भी हायर लेवल्स पे सेलिंग प्रेशर नजर आ रहा है. इस हफ्ते का FIIs की तरफ से सबसे बड़ा सेलिंग नंबर आया 17th of October को, when they have sold more than 7,472 crore rupees of stocks in the cash market. Gold has continued its upward trajectory and इस हफ्ते भी गोल्ड ने 1.95% के गेन्स वीक ऑन वीक बेसिस पे क्लॉक किए. वहीं सिल्वर भी पीछे नहीं रहा और इस हफ्ते सिल्वर ने 1.84% के गेन्स वीक ऑन वीक बेसिस पे दर्ज किए. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कमोडिटी फॉर द इंडियन मार्केट्स, द ब्रेंट क्रूड ऑयल हैज आल्सो कूल्ड ऑफ एंड इट हैज गिवन नेगेटिव रिटर्न्स ऑफ 4.72% ऑन द वीक ऑन वीक बेसिस. जियोपॉलिटिकल सिचुएशन एंड मिडिल ईस्ट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट के बावजूद भी ब्रेंट क्रूड प्राइसेस एक्सपेक्टेशन से कम रहे. In US indices, Dow Jones and Nasdaq has remained flat to positive and clocked 0.5% of gains on the week basis. US jobless claim data for the week ending 12th of October came out weaker than expected. It fell down to 2.41 lakh as against the expectations of 2.59 lakh, which further reinforces the resilience of US economy. वहीं चाइना से आए इकोनॉमिक नंबर्स काफी वीक रहे and it seems that China is going to continue their stimulus packages to revive the economy. The India's largest IPO ever by the Hyundai Motors has closed with 200% subscription this week. The demand led by the qualified institutional players as their book has been subscribed 6 times. However, retail book has remained muted. It has only been subscribed 0.45 times. In a positive news, India's overall trade deficit has fallen to $20.9 billion from $29.7 billion in the month of August. Reliance Industries ने अपने 1:1 bonus issue की record date 28th of October decide किया. Infosys has posted a very mixed set of numbers. Its profit has risen to 4.7% on year-on-year basis, and it has also announced a dividend of 21 rupees per share. In another news, Adani Enterprises has raised 4,200 crore rupees through qualified institutional placement. This is it for this week. We'll come up with more such information next week. Till that time, stay tuned with us. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.